Hey guys, Rhett here, what's going on? Wanted to make a quick video and talk about something that not a lot of people talk about who are in this industry, especially in mentorship roles like I am. And that's about the mistakes. When you're in real estate, mistakes are extremely expensive. And one thing that I try and do for my clients is limit the amount of mistakes that they make. Now, how do we do that? And I'll be the first one to tell you, in doing this for as long as I have and the amount of properties that I've done over the years, I've made every single mistake possible. And a lot of people won't tell you that, right? Because they want to sell you this and sell you that. But the reality is, the experience that comes with mistakes is invaluable. I've spent so much money and thrown so much money down the toilet because I've made the wrong decisions. And when I was doing this, I didn't have anybody to say, Rhett, you got to do it this way. Because when I started doing this, Section 8, there was no info on it. There was no way to build portfolios out of state without screwing up, hiring the wrong companies, hiring the wrong management companies and contractors, and using the wrong realtors, and using all the people, all these bad people. But what you learn is the resilience in staying persistent and having that goal, continuing through those mistakes, because it's what you want, and financial freedom is that end goal. But what I do now for clients is I say, guys, we'll do it this way because I've done it every other way. I've made every single mistake. And I think you get to a point where the mistakes are so important and that experience is so important that it helps you grow. And if I can help you avoid those mistakes, that's what I'll do. You know, and over the years of doing this, I don't think there's any mistake that I haven't made. And that's made me the investor that I am today. For a lot of investors who are starting out, you have to build your own processes, right? You have to build your own teams. That's extremely hard to do. And that's why my clients inherit all of my teams. They don't have to do that legwork. They don't have to make the mistakes. That is the value in bringing on somebody who's done this for a long time, who understands what to do, how to do it, and most of all, who's been successful doing it. So guys, if this is what you want to do and you want to be successful doing it, send me an email in the link below. Let's get started, and let me share with you all of those mistakes I've made so you don't make them. We'll see you next time.